Hey guys, I just want to do a quick video here. I scored me another TLR-4. This is a weird one right now. That it's a great price, 108 plus tax off of Amazon. I'll have a link, so hopefully it's still that price when when you guys see this video. I have this. I think I paid 140 back a couple years ago for this on the Beretta. And my guns aren't safe, but I'm not freaking doing nothing right now. There's none in the chamber on that one, but this is the bedside gun, so it's definitely hot. I'm not doing nothing. But I'm going to put this on here and get rid of this blast, just because the blast from day one. So I paid 400 plus for this back, I don't know, 10 years ago, just because it was, on the H&K forums, this was really good for it. But I've never been able to dial it in, and I was too stupid to send it off back to blast to have them give me a new one. It's close, but it's crooked a little bit. So if you're aiming at what you're aiming at, it would be a little high. So if you ever needed this in the middle of the night, I knew it was on target for the most part, so you just put it somewhere in center mass them. But so I got this, and so the crazy thing with this is I use some safety points at work. We get some safety be safe points. I don't know what the hell, but so I paid 13 bucks. Granted, it's 108 plus shipping and tax, which if you got Amazon Prime, shipping's free. So it was like 13 bucks for the 113 or whatever with what the tax was, 115, whatever. But yeah, so I didn't pay nothing for it. So you're not going to get that great of a deal, just because, like I said, I had some stuff from work that I used. But that's going to go on here. I don't have time to just do the whole system. I just wanted to show you the TLR-4. And that's the same freaking one. Here's the light. Laser, I don't know what I got. Yeah, so it's bright. This is daylight here in the room. And the laser, if you can get green, that's better. Green's always good. It lights up outside. I got a green Streamlight on the Mrs. Taurus that's in her purse. And, the problem with the little one on the Taurus, because it's low profile and stuff, the battery goes quick. This thing, I like this one. There's a couple different ones, better ones than this, but this one I can leave the laser on for a day. And just the laser alone on for a day. So that's pretty freaking awesome. And it says right here the light would be an hour and a half and stuff. So I only really wanted the laser. I don't know why I keep leaving that on there. I just wanted the laser just to have on it and stuff. So like I said, this one's gonna go on mom's. This is the mom's next to the bed. I got some stuff next to where I sleep, but it's gonna go on there so I get to actually have it dialed in. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And I just wanted to, TLR-4. Again, I'll have a link. So hopefully it's still 108 bucks. And I've probably ran freaking, I don't know, since this has been on the Beretta, 500 to 1,000 rounds through it, and the thing works flawless. It still works. The laser's true from what I set it up and stuff. So I would definitely buy one of these, put on things. I wish I had spare money. I'd buy 10 of them and have them on the AR, the 308, and anything with a Picatinny rail. But yeah, thanks guys, and everybody have a good day, and talk to y'all later.